Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss the important questions of chapter number 1, that is number system, class 9. So let us look at the important questions. The first question is example 2. It is very important in this lesson, which will be carried to our next. The question is find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So let us check out how to find it. So there are basically two methods to find it. So let us look at the first one method now. So to find the rational numbers between 1 and 2, 1 can be written as 1 by 1 and 2 can be written as 2 by 1. We are treating this as in form of p by q to make it easier. So we can't find the rational numbers between 1 by 1 and 2 by 1. What we just need to do is multiply both denominator as well as the numerator with 10 to both the numbers. So let us multiply quickly. So we will get 10 by 10, which is nothing but 1. So next is 20 by 10, which is nothing but 2. So now observe here, we can find the rational numbers. They are given only 5. So nearly 9 rational numbers can be formed between this and this. They are 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. Between those two numbers, 5 rational numbers are 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10 and 15 by 10. So we can't say that in exam the same question is given. Maybe these numbers may be changed. That's it. So let us look at the next question. And next important question is, let's come to exercise 1.1. In that second and third, which are of the same type, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 and find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So let us move on to the next important question, which is example 3. What is example 3? Locate root 2 on number line. So to locate root 2 on number line, let me draw roughly this question. So first draw a number line and mark any point as O or 0. Next, from here to taking 1 unit, that may be 2 centimeter or anything, mark 1. Next, with the same measure 2, name this as A. And at A, draw a perpendicular line to OA. And next, cut 1 unit and mark this point as point B. So the measure from here to here is 1 unit and join OB, which is root 2. Take a compass and taking OB as radius, cut an arc on this line and mark this point as some C. So OC will be the required root 2 on the number line. So let us check it out how we will get it. By using Pythagoras theorem, which is OB square is equal to AB square plus OA square, that is 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1, it is OB square. So to find length of OB, square root of 1 plus 1 is 2, which is required length of OB. Next, let us go on to the next important question. And next important question is, show that 0.3 bar can be expressed in P by Q form. Here also there are two methods. Let us solve with one of the method. So take the 0.3 bar as X and this can be written as 0.3333. How many repeating digits are there? There is only one digit. So multiply by 10 on both the sides, that is 10x is equal to 3.3333 and keep this as equation 1 and this as equation 2 and this as equation 1. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 2 we get 10x minus x, which is equal to 3.3333 minus 0.3333. Here 9x is equal to this and this will get cancelled. Next 3x is equal to 3 divided by 9, and x value you get as 1 by 3, which is the required answer in P by Q form. So let us move on to next question. And next important question is example 8, which is also of the same type. Next example 9, which is also of the same type. And next one is in exercise 1.3 third question, which is also of the same type, and fourth question of exercise 1.3. So let us move on to the next exercise. And next important question is example 17, which is rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 2. Here if you observe, this denominator is irrational, we have to rationalize. To rationalize the denominator, you have to take the conjugate of the denominator, that is root 2's conjugate is root 2 again, and multiply and divide by root 2. So if you cancel also, we will get back the same answer. So root 2 divided by root 2 square, and we will get back with root 2 divided by square root will get cancelled 2. This is the I see here the denominator has been rationalized. And the next important question is example 18, which is also of the same type, rationalizing the denominator. In that question, 2 plus root 3's conjugate is 2 minus root 3. And next exercise 1.5. Moving on to exercise 1.5, all the questions are important, but the most important is representing root 9.3 on number line. So after completing that, let us move on to the next question. And the next question is exercise 1.6, in which all the questions are important. Practice well. And which is laws of exponents. There are basically 5 laws, which is a to the power m into a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. Second law is a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n. Third law is a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m n. And the fourth law is a to the power m b to the power m, which is equal to ab whole to the power m. And the last and final, that is fifth law, is a to the power m divided by b to the power m, which is equal to ab whole to the power m. Using these laws, you can evaluate the values of any exponents. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe this video. So learn well. We can't say that all the questions are compulsory in the question paper, but these questions are very important in this lesson. Thank you.